Hey everyone, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today we'll be taking a look at one of our cMT HMIs, the cMT3102Xv2R. This cMT HMI has a built-in RFID reader. It has a 10-inch TFT LCD resistive touchscreen. It has an optional Wi-Fi expansion module kit, which is the M02. It's UL listed. It has an IP66 compliant front bezel. It has an operating temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. A quad-core RISC CPU, supports IIoT, remote access such as WebView, Easy Access 2.0, and VNC, MQTT, OPC UA client and server, and SQL database. It supports code assist, and it's VESA or panel mount. Now I'm going to unbox the cMT3102Xv2R. So open the box. This is what you'll see. There'll be the Maple Systems warranty. Then there is the installation instruction guide. Underneath that is the actual HMI. Wrapped in anti-static plastic is the cMT3102Xv2R. And there are some accessories. Also comes with a green power connector. Then there are some mounting brackets and screws, and then there is a USB stick clamp and tying strap. All right, here is the cMT3102Xv2R. On the front is the RFID reader. Flip it over to the back. On the back, there are 4 VESA 75 by 75 millimeter mounting screw holes. There's also the battery compartment, which is a CR2032 battery. Then there's the Wi-Fi expansion module compartment. That's the M02 Wi-Fi expansion module. This, of course, is optional. Take a look at the bottom. There's some I/O. Starting over on the left side, there is a 24 VDC power connector. Then there's a serial COM port DE9P, which is RS232, 2 or 4 wire. Then there's another serial COM port, which is DE9S. That is RS485, 2 or 4 wire. A USB 2.0 host port. Then 2 Ethernet LAN ports, and LAN 1 is 1 gigabit. I'm going to power on the HMI, so I have a power supply connected to the HMI, and so I'm just going to turn on my power supply. It's going to boot up the HMI. You'll see the cMT series logo, then it's going to load a demo project that is on the HMI. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to scan the RFID reader on the HMI using a phone. So the phone has an RFID generation app. So I'm going to write to the RFID reader. And the reason I'm going to do that, because the stations here, station 1 and station 2 for my water treatment plant demo, are secured. So the only way I can access these is by scanning the RFID reader. It's going to unlock a security window. So if I click station 2, you can see that it's password protected and access is denied. So I will need to scan the RFID reader in order to open up station 1 or station 2. I'm going to close this. So I'm going to take the phone using the app. I'm just going to go close to the RFID reader and it scans it. And now it opens up a protected window option. So if I click this, now I can access station 1 and station 2. Go back to overview. Now you either click log out, or it's also a auto log out. So after a certain amount of time, you will be logged out. So I'm just gonna hit log out. And now it's secured again. You can also see how well different kinds of gloves for different environments work with the cMT3102Xv2R on the resistive touchscreen. And you can also choose between light and dark mode. That's the cMT3102Xv2R. It's perfect for access control, equipment unlocking, and product traceability, helping enhance security and reduce data entry errors. Well, that wraps up everything today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our cMT HMIs, specifically the cMT3102Xv2R, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.